We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here, Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change a toner cartridge in a Canon ImageClass 8580 CDW. Now this printer does take a CRG 118 series. What you're going to do is you're going to open your front cover here, push on that blue tab and pull that out. These are going to be your toner cartridges. Just pull it out. It removes easily. Make sure not to touch any of the rollers down here because if you get fingerprints on it, it could cause quality issues. So you're going to take your new toner. You're going to go ahead and just stick it in there. They are color coded. And then just do that with each of them, whichever one you need to replace. Shut your little drawer here. Once it clicks, you know it's in. Shut your front cover, and once it clicks, then you know it's on. Your printer should then initialize. If you're having issues with your printer, you might want to give us a call. It might be time to put your printer in for a service. And if you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.